Now we are going to discuss about Sign Explainer, an explainable AI-enabled framework for sign language recognition with Ensemble learning.
Then we are going to see about the overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to recognize the different sign languages using deep learning algorithm. Then we can store the predicted result in audio format. Sign language is a computer vision based complete convoluted language that engrosses signs shaped by the movements of hands in combination with facial expressions. It is a natural language used by people with low or no hearing sense for communication. The earliest work in Indian Sign Language recognition considers the recognition of significant differential hand signs and therefore often selecting a few signs from the ISL for recognition. This paper deals with robust modeling of static signs in the context of sign language recognition using deep learning based convolutional neural network. This project makes various voice control virtual assistant response to hand gestures and also produces results in form of text outputs. These systems develop the deep learning algorithms such as CNN VGG19. The experimental result shows that uh, accuracy as well as the predicted result will be converted to speech and it's stored in mp3 file. So this is the overview of our project. This is the flow of our project. Here we are taken the dataset name sign language image dataset. Then we can select or we can choose one input image from our dataset. The selected input image or carry out to pre-processing step. In this step we can resize the original image as well as grayscale conversion. Then pre-processed image or carry out to feature extraction module. Here we can extract the features from pre-processed image by using mean standard deviation. Then extracted features are carried out to image splitting model. In this model we can split the whole images into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Then splitted images are carried out to classification module. In this module we can implement a convolutional neural network, that is the VGG19 model. Then classified images are carry out to performance estimation. Here we can estimate the performance such as accuracy and loss. Accuracy must be high and loss must be low. So accuracy in a sense it is the overall prediction in terms of percentage. Then recognition, so this is the final step. Here we can recognize the input sign languages sign language. Then text to audio, the recognized text is converted to audio output and the audio will be stored in mp3 file. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. Here we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. This is the original image which we selected from our dataset. This is the resized image. This is the grayscale conversion, feature extraction. So these are the features which we are extracted from our pre-processed data. Then classification, here we are implemented the VGG19, that is the transfer learning. So the result for CNN VGG19 is accuracy is 99.9%. Then loss. Then the prediction is sign language equal to 7. So our result will be text to speech conversion completed. So the date will be stored in right.
The predicted sign language is 7. The predicted sign language is 7. The predicted sign language is 7.
So this is the overview of our, sorry, this is the output of our project. Thank you.